infamous Brunus pistol. Brunus, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I like guns.
I can see that. You have quite the collection there.
Yeah.
So I hear that you recently have been promoted to Special Agent. Can you tell us anything about that?
No. I call this one Pistol. It's named after me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a very nice gun you have there.
Yeah. The black steel reminds me of a summer midnight.
It's beautiful, Mr. Pistol.
I call this one Pistol too.
Oh, as in pistol also?
No, Pistol 2.
Okay.
Pistol 3. And Pistol 4. And my very favorite, Big Pistol.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
And then,
Yep.
I like Pistol 6 a lot.
Okay, well, we've got to go to commercial break, so...
That's me. I gotta go. I got, special secret agent stuff to do. Oh, bye. Thank you.
Yeah, you're... Okay, we'll be back after the break. What the...